Amazon Polly is a service that converts text into lifelike speech, allowing you to create applications that talk and build entirely new categories of speech-enabled products. Polly's text-to-speech service uses advanced deep learning technologies to synthesize natural-sounding human speech. With dozens of lifelike voices across a broad set of languages, you can build speech-enabled applications that work in many different countries. Amazon Polly offers neural text-to-speech voices that deliver advanced improvements in speech quality through machine learning technology. Polly's neural TTS technology also supports a newscaster speaking style that is tailored to news narration use cases. And finally, with Amazon Polly Brand Voice, you can create a custom voice for your organization. Amazon Polly Brand Voice is a custom engagement where you will work with the Amazon Polly team to build an NTTS voice for the exclusive use of your organization. Let's review some of the benefits of Amazon Polly. Store and redistribute speech. Amazon Polly allows for unlimited replays of generated speech without any additional fees. You can create speech files in standard formats like MP3 and OGG and serve them from the cloud or locally with apps or devices for offline playback. Real-time streaming. With Amazon Polly, you can stream information through your application in near real time. You can also choose from various sampling rates to optimize bandwidth and audio quality for your application. Amazon Polly supports MP3, Vorbis, and raw PCM audio stream formats. Customized output. Amazon Polly supports speech synthesis markup language, SSML, a W3C standard XML-based markup language for speech synthesis applications, and it supports common SSML tags used for phrasing, emphasis, and intonation. Custom Amazon SSML tags provide unique options, such as the ability to control the pitch, volume, and rate of synthesized speech. Simple-to-use API. Amazon Polly provides an API that enables you to quickly integrate speech synthesis into your application. You simply send the text you want converted into speech to the Amazon Polly API, and Amazon Polly immediately returns the audio stream to your application, so your application can begin streaming it directly to an audience, or store it in a standard audio file format. Let's review some key features of Amazon Polly. Speech synchronization. Amazon Polly makes it easy to request an additional stream of metadata that provides information about when particular sentences, words, and sounds are being pronounced. Using this metadata stream, alongside the synthesized speech audio stream, you can build your applications with an enhanced visual experience, such as speech-synchronized facial animation, or karaoke-style word highlighting. Custom lexicons. With Amazon Polly's custom lexicons, or vocabularies, you can modify the pronunciation of particular words, such as company names, acronyms, and neologisms like ROTFL, which means, roll on the floor laughing. To customize these pronunciations, you simply upload an XML file with lexical entries. Speech synthesis options. Amazon Polly can be accessed via the Polly API, AWS Management Console, and the AWS command line interface. You have full control over all the capabilities of Amazon Polly, whether you use the service through the console, the API, or the CLI. Amazon Polly also supports the AWS SDK, including all AWS SDK programming languages.